Ready, bud? Do it.
I'm gonna die.
Oh, it's set for my head.
Yeah, I got it tightened.
Did you adjust it?
It's too hot.
Too hot.
Way too hot.
103.
All right, let's go again.
That's better.
You got, that looks horrible, but it's okay.
That's okay.
It's, I burnt through it the first time.
Let me see. Hey, it's better than me.
I don't know about that.
No,
You got that hammer? Give me the hammer. I'll chip it while I'm at it too. It'll make it easier.
Like slag. You know, I've been looking for my slag hammer. I can't find it anywhere.
I don't look half bad from you burning half through it.
Not bad, see? My 16-year-old grandson. Professional certified welder.
Look at that. That's actually not horrible for it
That's
being the way.
not bad, huh? Now, after you weld this in, we'll take this clamp out of your way.
All right.
Well, we need to do the other one.
Do you want me to weld the bottom first? That way I don't have to go around the clamp.
Well, what I thought we'd do is weld the ends, and then it might be easier to stand this thing back up to do that
Okay.
bottom.
I'm fine doing diagonal welds.
Yeah, whichever you want. Yeah.
I'll just do it.
I weld upside down and everything else.
This one's, oop, my bad. This one's gonna take multiple.
Yeah.
All right, ready?
That's fine, yeah. Main thing, it doesn't have to be pretty, it's just got to be really strong.
Yeah.
40-ton load against it. Oh, the main thing is don't weld with a big beam.
Yeah. There you go. That don't look too bad.
Not bad at all.
I feel like that's not gonna chip off.
You're on
There it
fire.
goes.
You're on fire with your
Oh,
foot.
I'm so sorry about that.
Yeah. Can you stomp it? No,
I got it, Pops.
don't worry about it. It's just hydraulic fluid.
There you go. I'm gonna do one more bead on that side. There you go. Once you chip it, it'll look better.
Yeah, now, by the time you get this thing welded, what we're creating is a big piece of heavy channel iron to go around this thing. So it's kind of like a clamp.
There we go.
Make sure it still moves.
Yeah, make sure I don't. Look at that, Pops. I don't look too bad.
Not bad.
Not horrible. All right, want me to get the other side?
Yeah, whichever way you want to do it. If you'll do this this side, then we can take the clamps off. Well, before I pop the clamp, you want to just loose tack right here.
Yeah, I got it.
And then I would come over here and do that, and we'll remove the clamps and go to it.